Wow. I think I got her hat on backwards or something.
I think so, because she can hardly see.
You can't see where she's going.
Why don't you try it
She
again?
didn't want to wear it.
Oh, okay. Good job, Sammy.
Wow.
That was good.
That's some driving.
That's
Yeah.
I gotta find something. Look at that.
What is that?
Rabbit.
Oh, garbage.
Hey, go.
Thank you.
I found something.
Okay.
Yeah?
So we get back in and go driving?
I gotta keep driving.
You gotta keep
Okay.
driving?
Look
Okay.
at that clip.
Okay.
Look at that clip.
Oh, she's got a book in there.
This thing's got a radio in it.
Got cod bear in it.
Well, let's drive. I want to take your picture.
Hey, go.
Okay, go by
Got a real in there.
go by Grandpa.
Look at that.
I see that.
Go.
Oh, okay. Thank you. Thank you.
And that.
Are you ready to go?
Okay, let's go.
I got
You got a what? Step on the gas.
and that.
Hi.
How
Hi.
you doing?
Good, how are you?
Good.
Hi, Sammy. Your grandma and grandpa's here?
Okay, let's go. Come on, drive. Drive. Step on the gas.
Go.
Step on the top. There you go. Are we going backwards?
I'm going backwards.
Oh. Okay, step on it.
I think you have to turn the little latch
Here.
to go forward. The latch by her.
Yeah. Okay, go.
Go, Sammy, go.
Step on the gas.
Go, Sammy, go.
This way.
She wants to go backwards.
This way.
Yeah? Okay,
This way.
that way. Step on the gas. And away we go.
Look at that puppy.
Yeah, there's a puppy. Go get him. Go show him your Jeep.
Okay.